Hi everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Antivirus Windows 11 step by step so you can manage your security settings easily. Now let's get started. Step 1, click on the search icon on the taskbar. It's at the bottom of your screen near the Start menu. This helps you quickly find apps and system settings. Step 2, type Windows Security and open the app. This is the built-in Security Center in Windows 11. It controls antivirus and other protection features. Step 3, click on Virus and Threat Protection. This section manages Microsoft Defender antivirus. Here you can see your protection status. Step 4, click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection settings. This area controls how the antivirus works. You can adjust real-time protection here. Step 5, turn off real-time protection by clicking the toggle switch. This stops the antivirus from scanning files and apps in real time. It will stay off until you enable it again. Step 6. Click Yes to confirm the change. This allows Windows to apply the setting. Your real-time protection will now be disabled. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows 11 tutorials.